Now let's see how to combine the content of two cells into one cell using the concatenate formula. So simply you can type equals concatenate, open the brackets, select the first content, insert a comma, select the second content, then close the brackets and hit enter. So once you hit enter, you can see between Chris and Gail there is no space. So how to get that space? Very simple. Here what you have to do, insert double inverted commas, hit space, then again insert double inverted commas, hit comma, then you are getting the space. Now hit enter. Now here you can see between Chris and Gail you have a space. So if you want to apply it for the remaining names, simply what you can do, you can drag it from this fill handle and you can get it for the remaining cells as well. So again I'll show it for you. Equals concatenate, first content, after that get the space using the double inverted commas and space, and second content, then you can hit enter. So here we did it only for 2 contents. If you want to do it for 5 contents, still you can do it for 5 contents as well. So this is how you can combine the contents in different cells in Excel using the concatenate. Now let's see how to calculate the work hour duration in Excel. So in time is 9 o'clock, out time is 5 o'clock. If you want to find the duration, simply what you should do,